Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I have some cases for the Galaxy S10 Plus from Supcase. I want to give a shout out to Supcase for actually sending these cases to me for a review. We're definitely going to get into it. They sent me 3 different kinds. We have the Unicorn Pro, which is their heavy duty case. This one is their Sport in green, if I can focus. Bam. And then the last one is the Metro, if it will focus. There you go, Metro in black. Let's start with that one first. Now, a couple things we like to check on my channel is the lip action. Yes, so you definitely get some. I wouldn't slam the phone down. You might crack the display, but if you put it down gently, you don't have to worry about the display touching the table. Next thing we want to check out is the camera hump. Look at that. It will protect your camera a little bit. Again, I wouldn't slam it down at all. On the left hand side, you have the volume rockers and then the Bixby button. They all look like they line up perfectly. At the bottom, you can see the cutouts for the headphone jack. Everything lines up. Speaker too. On the right hand side, you have your power button. Then at the top, you have the microphone cutout. Then you also have some branding at the bottom, Supcase. That's actually pretty nice. This is a simple TPU case. It will protect the back. So let's move on to the next one. I think the next one y'all really will like. Bam, here we go. Look at that cut. Man, that is crazy. Look at that. Look at that color. This is the only color it comes in so far, but I'm kind of liking that. What y'all think about it? Let's see if this one fits. Again, we're going to check out the lip action. So you do have some lip action on here too. Lay it down. Again, I wouldn't slam it down. All right, so we want to check out the camera hump. Yes, you definitely have protect. Look at that cutout. That looks pretty cool. On the left-hand side, you have the volume rockers and then also the Bixby button. They all look like they line up too. The cutouts line up at the bottom. Bam, you can see them there. Headphone jack, the charging port, and then the speaker and the microphone. You have some branding here with Supcase, and then you also have the power button at the top. This is a nice case too. I like this one. I might rock with this one more than ever. And they all fit really good too. Look, nice fit. Bam. So the next case is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is the heavy duty case. This is the one for construction workers, or if you drop your phone a lot, you definitely want to pick up this case. Look at that. Also, it has a belt clip, which is pretty cool. Bam. I like the belt clip. If you rock with the belt clip, that's actually pretty cool too. Bam. Look at that. So here's the case itself. It has a little instructions to pull apart here. Also, it comes with a kickstand. This one is new. Let's check this out. So you have a little kickstand. You want to put it that way, watch them. If you want to watch your favorite YouTuber for tech reviews, you can definitely do so. But let's see how this fits. The first thing you want to do is peel this apart. Now, the easiest way to do is get a fingernail into the little groove right here. It definitely helps you. If you follow the instructions, they say put this on top first. And you want to slide this in at the bottom first and then just work it around. And it actually fits pretty good too. There you go, nice and snug. First thing we check, lip action. This one definitely will give you that protection that you're looking for. It leaves a space in between the table. That one you can actually drop, and I don't think you would have to worry about cracking your beautiful display. Let's check out the camera hump. Look at that, that is a beautiful design. The camera hump gives you that protection you need to. This case will definitely protect your phone. So on the left hand side, you have the volume rockers and then also the Bixby button, which is ridge. And then you have some extra grip on the side too. At the bottom, you can see the cutouts all line up with the flaps. On the right side, you have a little branding with Supcase. You have the same type of grip that you had on the left side. The power button is also ridge, which makes it easier to find, which is pretty cool. At the top, you have the cutout for the microphone. That looks great too. This is a beautiful looking case. Little branding on the back too. One thing Supcase always promotes with their Unicorn Beetle Pro case, that it can take a beating, you can drop your phone will still work. Alright, so that was the Unicorn Beetle Pro. You have their new Sport case, and then you also have the Metro case. Let me give you a little treat. You actually have the Unicorn Pro in pink, so for the ladies or the men. Then you also have purple, and then you also have it in black. Bam, that's the lineup from Supcase. I will have the links in the description for each one of these cases from their website or Amazon. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S10 and more case reviews. Also follow me on Twitter at Forz Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.